was a beautiful little princess named Barbie. She lived in a magical kingdom where the sky always shimmered with a hint of color, and the air was sweet with the scent of flowers. But the most enchanting thing about this kingdom was its rainbow. A giant, vibrant rainbow stretched across the land, from one mountain peak to another. It wasn't just any rainbow, it was alive, glowing with magical energy, and it was said to hold the key to endless happiness. Princess Barbie had long flowing hair as golden as the sun, and her eyes twinkled like the stars. She wore a dress made from the softest silk, and it shimmered in all the colors of the rainbow. Despite her beauty and grace, what made Barbie truly special was her kind heart. She loved all the creatures in her kingdom, from the smallest ants to the tallest giraffes. But, more than anything, she was captivated by the rainbow that lit up her kingdom every day. One bright morning, as Princess Barbie gazed at the rainbow from her castle balcony, something extraordinary happened. The colors of the rainbow started to swirl, forming a spiral in the sky. Barbie blinked in surprise as the spiral grew larger and larger, until a beam of light shot down from the rainbow and landed in front of her. From the beam emerged a small, glowing figure, a rainbow fairy named Lila. Lila's wings sparkled like diamonds, and she wore a crown of flowers that changed colors as she flew. "Princess Barbie," Lila said in a voice as soft as a gentle breeze, "the rainbow has chosen you. There is a great adventure awaiting you, and only you can help save the Rainbow Kingdom from a terrible fate." Barbie's eyes widened in surprise. "What do you mean, Lila?" she asked, her voice filled with concern. Lila fluttered closer and explained, "The Rainbow Kingdom is in danger. The colors of the rainbow are fading, and if they disappear completely, all the joy and happiness in the land will vanish too. The rainbow's magic is powered by 7 gems hidden throughout the kingdom, each representing one color of the rainbow. But the gems have been stolen by the Shadow Queen, who seeks to turn the kingdom into a world of darkness. We need you, Princess Barbie, to find the gems and restore the rainbow before it's too late." Without hesitation, Princess Barbie agreed. She knew she had to save her beloved kingdom, and she was ready for whatever challenges lay ahead. The first gem, the Red Rose of Courage. Lila led Barbie to the edge of the enchanted forest, where the first gem was hidden. "The red gem represents courage," Lila explained, "and it is guarded by a fierce dragon who lives in a cave at the heart of the forest. You must show bravery to retrieve it." As Barbie ventured into the forest, the trees seemed to whisper, and the air grew thick with magic. But she wasn't afraid. With Lila by her side, Barbie felt strong and determined. When they finally reached the dragon's cave, the ground trembled, and a mighty roar echoed through the air. Out of the cave emerged a giant dragon with gleaming red scales and fiery eyes. Barbie took a deep breath and stepped forward. "Great dragon," she said, her voice steady, "I do not come to harm you. I seek the Red Rose of Courage, for I must restore the colors of the rainbow and save our kingdom." The dragon lowered its head, its fiery eyes studying Barbie. "Many have come to take the rose, but none have shown the bravery to face me without fear. You, Princess Barbie, are different. Your courage is true. With that, the dragon stepped aside, revealing a single red rose glowing with a brilliant light. Barbie gently picked the rose, and as she did, the red gem appeared in her hand. The first color of the rainbow was restored. The second gem, the orange sunset of hope. With the red gem safely in hand, Barbie and Lila traveled to the sunset cliffs, where the orange gem of hope was hidden. The cliffs were high and steep, and the waves crashed against the rocks far below. But at the top of the highest cliff, the orange gem glowed faintly, waiting to be found. Barbie climbed the cliff, her heart pounding with determination. As she reached the top, the fourth gem, the green leaf of kindness. The next destination was the Emerald Forest, where the green gem of kindness was hidden. The forest was dense and filled with creatures of all shapes and sizes, each one depending on the magic of the rainbow to keep their home alive. Barbie knew that the green gem would only reveal itself to someone who showed true kindness. As she walked through the forest, she came across a wounded bird with a broken wing. Without hesitation, Barbie gently picked up the bird and used a piece of her dress to bandage its wing. As she did, the green gem appeared in her hand, glowing with the light of kindness. The fourth color of the rainbow was restored. The fifth gem, the blue sapphire of wisdom. Barbie and Lila then traveled to the Sapphire Lake, where the blue gem of wisdom was hidden. The lake was calm and still, its waters as clear as glass. But the gem was hidden deep within the lake, and only those who sought wisdom with a pure heart could retrieve it. Barbie stood at the edge of the lake, reflecting on all that she had learned during her journey. She realized that true wisdom came not from knowing all the answers, but from listening to others and learning from every experience. With that understanding, the blue gem rose from the depths of the lake, glowing with the light of wisdom. The fifth color of the rainbow was restored. The sixth gem, the indigo star of imagination. Next, Barbie and Lila traveled to the crystal caves, where the indigo gem of imagination was hidden. The caves were dark and mysterious, filled with sparkling crystals that reflected every shade of indigo and violet. Barbie knew that the indigo gem could only be found by those who could see beyond the ordinary and imagine the extraordinary. As she wandered through the caves, Barbie closed her eyes and let her imagination take flight. She imagined a world filled with laughter, magic, and endless possibilities. As Barbie's imagination soared, the indigo gem appeared before her, glowing with the light of creativity. The sixth color of the rainbow was restored. The final gem, the violet heart of love. At last, Barbie and Lila reached the final destination, the Violet Valley, where the violet gem of love was hidden. The valley was vast and peaceful, filled with flowers of every shade of purple. But the violet gem was hidden at the very heart of the valley, and only someone with a heart full of love could find it. Barbie thought of all the people she loved, her family, her friends, and the people of her kingdom. She thought of the love she had for her kingdom and the rainbow that brought so much joy to everyone. As Barbie's heart filled with love, the violet gem appeared before her, glowing with the light of pure, unconditional love. The final color of the rainbow was restored. The return of the rainbow. With all 7 gems in hand, Barbie and Lila returned to the castle, where the rainbow was waiting. As Barbie placed each gem in its rightful place, the rainbow began to glow brighter and brighter, filling the sky with its vibrant colors. The joy and happiness that had been fading from the kingdom returned, and the land was once again filled with laughter and light. The Shadow Queen's dark magic was no match for the power of the rainbow, and she disappeared into the shadows, never to return. As the rainbow stretched across the sky, brighter and more beautiful than ever before, Barbie smiled, knowing that her courage, hope, joy, kindness, wisdom, imagination, and love had saved the Rainbow Kingdom. And from that day on, the rainbow shone every day, a symbol of the magic and beauty that lived within Princess Barbie and her kingdom.